Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you're having any issues with extracting files using 7-zip, then watch this video for the solutions. So the first solution is to close the 7-zip process in your task manager, because sometimes what happens when you close the 7-zip folder also, or the file, it will not close, it will still be running in the processes. And so we need to go to task manager and open it, and we will look for 7-zip here. We can look directly like this, 7-zip. We can click on this and we can click on end task, and it should be done. And we can again try to extract using 7-zip, and it should start working. If this doesn't work, then we can just restart the computer by pressing on the start button and the power button and clicking restart. A third solution, and one we always forget, if we can't see it, we think that we cannot use 7-zip, is we need to click on more options. So this is the folder I want to extract. I'm click on here and I will click on 7-zip and I will extract files. So the next solution would be is to add 7-zip to the right context menu. So for that we need to look for 7-zip in search and open it. Click on tools and options. Click on the 7-zip tab and make sure these two boxes are checked. We integrate into the shell context menu and integrate into shell context menu 32-bit. Click apply, OK, and that should solve the issue. If none of these options solve the 7-zip issues that you're facing, then the only option is to reinstall 7-zip. And we do that, we'll click on start, right click on start button, click on settings, apps, installed apps, and look for the 7-zip and click on the three buttons here, click on uninstall. Then we will go open the browser and we will look for 7-zip download. Click on download 7-zip and we look for the version that we need to download. Now how will you know if you have a 64-bit Windows or a 32-bit Windows is we will look for system information, and we will see the system type. I have an x64 based PC. If it shows that you have an x86 based PC, then you need to download the 32-bit. Download it, install, and the problem should be solved. The issue should be resolved. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.